Good afternoon, it's Jim at Thunderbolt Locks, and I'm here today to introduce a product that we call our Y harness. It's an integration harness that is going to allow the installation of the wiring for the Ford Transit on the rear and the side door. This particular harness itself is going to simply allow us to unplug the factory actuator connector, which is located at the latch itself. There's a push tab and it will release. It's a 2-pin connector, and our Y harness has a male and a female end. You're going to match up, plug into that. This is now going to plug back into the factory latch. The push tab that you see here is the release. So once you plug that back in, it locks on, and now you have a connector. We call these a bullet connector. The male version that comes off of our lock will simply connect. It will connect securely. You can always reinforce that with electrical tape just to ensure that it won't have any issue coming apart. And then you would just take and tie this up into the door to a harness. And you'll see that the wiring for our Thunderbolt lock is now complete in a very short amount of time without having to open up the harness, strip back the wiring, and compromise that factory harness. So it's a great addition to our Thunderbolt lock itself. So this is the rear door. You saw how simple this was. The side door is also very simple. I'm going to show you that. And now I'm going to show you the side sliding door application. If your Transit has a swing side door, you'll find that it's the same Y harness that's going to be located in that door at the latch, nearly identical to what you would do on that rear door. So on our sliding side door, the factory latch, which is located on the rear end of this door, has a 6-pin connector. In most of the late model Ford Transits, 2018 and newer should have a 6-pin connector. Some of the earlier models, 15, 16, and 17, might have a 2-pin connector, the same one that would be used rear door, side swing, and both front doors. Those are all the same connector. So you get into some of the later model Ford Transit side sliding door, and when they have a power door accessory available, what they've done is they've used a different style plug. We're only using 2 of the wires off of that, but again, it's going to plug in directly at that latch in the rear of the door. Let me show you how it works. So our latch being located at the rear end of the door is going to have a plug that releases. It's a 6-pin female plug. Our Y harness, again, has a male and a female. The male will plug into the factory harness. The female will plug right back into the latch. You'll hear a positive click. Give it a tug to make sure it's locked on. And now you'll see you have our blue and green wire with the bullet connectors. There's going to be plenty of cable for you to route through the door. You'll be able to come right out of this front section And you can securely plug color to color. And again, you can insulate these to ensure that they can't come apart. That'll tuck back into the door. You could always loom or insulate. Typically, that's what we would do just to protect the wiring. But that is the complete connection to make this lock operate. So now, when I close the door, your lock and your unlock, that's the complete connection that you need to operate and wire the Thunderbolt locks on the side and rear door of a Ford Transit. If you have any questions, you can contact us at thunderboltlocks.com.